Hi guys, today we're doing DIY American Girl Doll fall looks. First we're going to make a hair clip. It's kind of spring themed, but spring and fall has the same weather. So all you're going to need is two little artificial flowers and a hair clip. Mine has jewels on it, but you may use one with sparkles on it. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay out and plan where I'm going to glue my flowers onto the hair clip, and then I'm going to take my hot glue gun and put a little dot and put the artificial flower on that. I ended up doing two, so I'll show you that in just a sec. So like I said, I'm doing two flowers, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take what is going to be a clip, and I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue in there. Hot glue is really strong and fast and drying, so I really like using it in my projects, so yeah. And that is literally it. After it's done drying, you can put it in your doll's hair and she will look really, really beautiful. Next we're going to make a doll jean skirt, and all you will need is denim, scissors, a hot glue gun, and anything else you would like to decorate your jean skirt. First, I'm going to take my denim and cut off the ankle. I have some leftovers from a previous project, so I'm just going to cut that off and make it level. I'm going to make my jean skirt a little bit long. I didn't show this in a video, but I did hem it. It means fold over the edges to make it straight, but if you want to do that, that's your choice. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my doll and I'm going, if you see the thick part right there, I'm just going to be folding that over to the right width of my doll. So that's it. So I've turned it inside out and I see that there is a flap and it's loose, so I'm just going to secure that with some hot glue. I'm now flipping it right side out so I can see how it looks so far, and I'm going to add some finishing touches at this point. To the skirt, I'm using hot glue to apply them on. If you know how to sew and you feel like you can do it with this, you can absolutely go for that, but I am a terrible sewer, so I just decided to do hot glue.